Improve the immune system. Nowadays, immunity is one of the important things in today's lifestyle. In this blog, after doing a lot of research from different sources, I am bringing to you 30 ways to improve the immune system. In this blog, I will discuss with you different angles like Ayurvedically, naturopathy, Harvard University research, etc. Read this blog till the end. Here you will find something interesting. The idea of strengthening your immunity is tempting. It requires balance and harmony. There is still much that scientists do not know about how complex and interconnected the immune response is. For now, there is no scientifically proven direct link between lifestyle and increased immune function. But this does not mean that the effects of lifestyles on the immune system are not inquisitive and should not be studied. Researchers are studying the effects of diet, exercise, age, psychological stress, and other factors on the immune response in humans. In the meantime, general methods of healthy living are a good way to start gaining control of the immune system. To improve your immune system, you need to follow healthily methods such as per Harvard Medical School. A link has been given in the reference. 1. Do not smoke. 2. Eat a diet that is high in fruits and vegetables. 3. Exercise regularly. 4. Keep a healthy weight. 5. If you drink alcohol, drink only moderately. 6. Get enough sleep. 7. Avoid infection, such as washing your hands frequently and cooking the meal well. 8. Try to avoid stress. Now let us discover some Ayurvedic ways to boost immunity. 5 Ayurvedic remedies to improve immunity. 9. Start the day with Tulsi, Pippali, long pepper fruit, and ginger tea to strengthen and clean the upper respiratory tract. 10. Use turmeric and black pepper in meals daily, to boost immunity and reduce AMA, toxins. Turmeric can be taken as a drink with almond milk or added to morning oats to prepare a nourishing golden porridge. 11. Minimize the consumption of red meat and avoid using processed meats such as bacon, sausages, nuggets, ham, etc. 12. Take 15 ml of amla juice per day. Optionally, take Juwan Presh to provide additional antioxidants and boost immunity. 13. Drink lots of lukewarm water. Staying well hydrated will keep the throat and mucous membranes moist, supporting its action as a good barrier against all germs. 14. Turmeric. Many people take turmeric and ginger at the first sign of the disease, in the hopes of improving immune function and avoiding cold or flu symptoms. Turmeric helps boost our immunity. The main saving ingredient in turmeric is about 3 to 5% of turmeric, a photoderivative, which contains healing properties. Colds and coughs. Turmeric helps the body to cleanse the respiratory tract naturally, helps fight infections, and its anti-inflammatory qualities relieve people from the direct impact of colds and flu. Breathing. People who have bronchial problems can face many problems due to lower immunity. Turmeric can be helpful in treating these problems and boosting immunity. Upper respiratory tract problems. Congestion of the nose and respiratory tract due to inflammation, cough, colds, and sometimes shortness of breath, affecting children, adults, and the elderly. The inflammation narrows the airways and makes breathing difficult. This is often linked to an exaggerated immune system response that leads to chronic inflammation and damage to lung tissue by free radicals. Turmeric inhibits inflammation, relieves congestion and pain, and therefore improves breathing. Increase immunity. Turmeric helps strengthen immunity and helps fight viral replication. Reduces inflammation. Turmeric suppresses various inflammatory molecules that are responsible for the causes of viral damage. It helps reduce symptoms and provides relief. Inhibition of viral replication exposes all the antiviral properties by reducing viral replication. Turmeric, therefore, reduces the viral load. 15. Ginger. To begin with, ginger contains a compound called gingerol, which has several medicinal properties. Gingerol has analgesic, sedative, antipyretic and antibacterial effects. Another component of ginger, zingerone, is an antioxidant. The antibacterial effects of ginger help to cure colds and sore throats. Research shows that ginger can have powerful properties. Fresh ginger has been effective against the human respiratory syncytial virus, HRSV, which can cause respiratory tract infections in infants, children, and adults. Another study found that ginger extract blocked the growth of several strains of respiratory pathogens. Taking ginger extract helps reduce the symptoms of seasonal allergies, such as sneezing and allergic cough. Turmeric and ginger can also reduce inflammation levels, which can help improve immune function. 16. Andhra Graph Ice. Andhra Graph Ice is a master herb that is used in 26 different Ayurvedic formulations. This is called King of Bitters. Andhra Graph Ice had been used since the ancient era in tribal medicine in India. The Andhra Graph Ice is widely used to treat symptoms of colds and flu. Andhra Graph Ice would also act as a natural immunostimulant. 17. Good acai or Giloy. It is the Sanjeevani that is magical in many aspects of immunity enhancers. Cures chronic fevers, diabetes, and respiratory problems. Giloy is a universal herb that helps strengthen immunity. It is a concentrate of antioxidants that fight free radicals, keep cells healthy, and eliminate the disease. Cures chronic fever. Giloy helps to get rid of recurring fevers. Since Giloy is antipyretic in nature, it can also reduce the signs and symptoms of many life-threatening conditions such as dengue fever, swine flu, and malaria. Fight against respiratory problems. Giloy is popularly known for its anti-inflammatory benefits and helps reduce respiratory problems such as frequent cough, cold, tonsils. Try this Ayurvedic supplement to prevent coronavirus attacks. 18. Juwan Presh, CP. Juwan Presh, CP, is an Ayurvedic supplement. It aims to restore the exhausted reserves of vital force, ojas, and to preserve strength, endurance, and vitality while blocking the course of aging. Protect and strengthen the respiratory system. Regular intake of CP strengthens the tracheobronchial tree and thus improves immunity and the functioning of the respiratory system. Helps treat respiratory infections, allergic coughs, asthma, bronchospasm, rhinitis, seasonal or non-seasonal respiratory conditions, colds, and tuberculosis, and thus strengthens the respiratory system. Due to amla's high percentage, the PC is loaded with high vitamin C, polyphenols, including flavonoids, and shows obvious antioxidants and free radical scavenging activity, improves the immune system and fights infections. Vitamin C also helps to revive and restore the loss of energy from the human body. It is the best Ayurvedic supplement to increase immunity. Now let us explore some foods which would be extremely helpful to increase immunity. 19. Citrus fruits. Popular citrus fruits include grapefruit, oranges, tangerines, lemons, limes. Most people switch to vitamin C directly after taking a cold. This is because it helps strengthen the immune system. Vitamin C is thought to increase the production of white blood cells, which are essential for fighting infections. Most citrus fruits are rich in vitamin C. With such a variety of choices, it is easy to add a pinch of this vitamin to any meal. Your body does not store vitamin C, that is why you need to consume daily vitamin C. Men, 90 mg. Women, 75 mg. But you should avoid taking more than 2000 mg per day. 20. Broccoli. Broccoli is overfed with vitamins and minerals. Rich in vitamins A, C, and E, as well as fiber and many other antioxidants, broccoli is one of the healthiest vegetables you can put on your plate. The key to keeping its potency intact is to cook it as little as possible, or better yet, not at all. 21. Garlic. Garlic is found in almost every kitchen in the world. Add some spice to food and it is a must for your health. The first civilizations recognized its value in the fight against infections. Garlic can also slow down the hardening of the arteries, and there is little evidence that helps lower blood pressure. The immunostimulatory properties of garlic appear to come from a high concentration of sulfur compounds, such as allicin. 22. Ginger. Another ingredient many people turn to after getting sick is ginger. Ginger can help reduce inflammation, which can help reduce sore throat and inflammatory disease. Ginger can also relieve nausea. Although it is used in many sweet desserts, ginger retains heat in the form of gingerol, a parent of capsaicin. Ginger can also reduce the reliable source of chronic pain and may even have cholesterol-lowering properties. 23. Spinach. Spinach is on our list not only because it is rich in vitamin C but also rich in antioxidants and beta-carotene, both of which can increase the immune system's ability to fight infections. Like broccoli, spinach is healthier if cooked as little as possible to conserve its nutrients. However, light cooking facilitates the absorption of vitamin A and allows the release of other nutrients from the anti-nutrient oxalic acid. Check out some spinach recipes here. 24. Yogurt. Look for yogurt with the label live and active cultures printed on the label, such as Greek yogurt. These cultures can boost the immune system to help fight disease. Try to get white yogurt rather than flavored, sugar-laden yogurts. You can sweeten white yogurt with healthy fruit and a drizzle of honey. Yogurt is a great source of vitamin D. Vitamin D helps regulate the immune system and should increase our body's natural defenses against disease. 25. Sunflower seeds. Sunflower seeds are rich in nutrients, including phosphorus, magnesium, and vitamins B6 and E. Vitamin E is important for regulating and maintaining the function of the immune system. Other foods rich in vitamin E include avocado and dark green leafy vegetables. Sunflower seeds are also incredibly rich in selenium. Only 1 ounce contains almost half the reliable source of selenium that the average adult needs daily. Various studies, mainly conducted on animals, have examined its potential to combat viral infections such as swine flu, H1N1. 26. Turmeric. You may know that turmeric is a key ingredient in many curries. This bitter, bright yellow spice has been used for years as an anti-inflammatory in the treatment of osteoarthritis and rheumatoid arthritis. Research trusted source shows that high concentrations of turmeric, which give turmeric its distinctive color, can help reduce exercise-induced muscle damage. Turmeric shows promise as an immune activator, based on the results of animal studies, and an antiviral. More research is needed. 27. Green tea. Both green and black tea is rich in flavonoids, a type of antioxidant. In studies, EGCG has been shown to improve immune function. The fermentation process of black tea destroys much of the EGCG. Green tea, on the other hand, is steamed and unfermented, therefore the EGCG is preserved. Green tea is a good source of the amino acid L-theanine. L-theanine can assist in the production of germ-fighting compounds in T cells. 28. Papaya. Another fruit loaded with vitamin C is papaya. You can find double trusted source the recommended daily amount of vitamin C in a single medium fruit. Papaya also has a digestive enzyme called papain which has anti-inflammatory effects. Papaya has a good amount of potassium, magnesium, and folate, all of which are beneficial for general health. 29. Kiwi. Kiwis are naturally loaded with tons of essential nutrients, including folic acid, potassium, vitamin K, and vitamin C. Vitamin C stimulates white blood cells to fight infections, while the other nutrients present in kiwi keep the rest of the body functioning properly. 30. Poultry. When you are sick and looking for chicken soup, it is much more than the placebo effect that makes you feel better. The soup can help reduce inflammation, which could improve cold symptoms. Poultry is rich in vitamin B6. About 3 ounces of light turkey Oregon chicken contains almost a third of the recommended daily amount of B6. Vitamin B6 is an important player in many of the chemical reactions that occur in the body. It is also vital for the formation of new healthy red blood cells. Chicken broth or boiled broth contains gelatin, chondroitin, and other nutrients useful for intestinal healing and immunity. This is only one educational effort. For final consultation we are suggesting you take doctor's advice.